Hello, hello. It is early in the morning and it is cold, Jack. No, actually, it's not that early in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock, but it is super cold. We're out here with Gracie. She's the only one I brought with me today. There she is, in the tree. Dad and Lexi weren't able to come, and Piper is actually injured at the moment and is not able to help me. So, I'm out here on my own. And I don't know, it's pretty much gonna relax and have a good time, see if we can catch a rabbit. This is probably gonna be a little bit more of a chill video because I have to push the bush myself, so maybe not as many jokes. Gracie's moving. So what I'm working on now is pretty much pushing anything on this ridge right under Gracie. She's a little close, so it would already be kind of past her down there. But I'm not too worried because we're just starting out and Gracie will probably move again. Alright, so Gracie was in the middle of this ridge, but now she's at the end, so I'm switching directions. And anything in this, it's like a brush pile. Anything in this brush pile, I'm gonna push towards her. So, I'm gonna do that. Alright, nothing came out of there that I saw, and I think I would have seen it because it's a pretty condensed area of brush, but you never know. Rabbits are a sneaky. Gracie is up in a tree, looking out for any rabbits. I don't think there's anything on the ridge because I didn't push anything, but I know there's rabbits. Just gotta find where. Barbed wire and a moat. Who puts a moat in a public park? Trail. Whatever, it's not a park. There's no playground. Silly Caebin. All parks gotta have a playground. You know that. Yeah. Maybe I can get across right here? I bet it looks dry on camera. Okay. Okay. Again, I don't know why anybody would put a moat here. Idiots. The problem is, if I step, because I can't see in front of me, so if I step and it's wet, then I ain't backing out. Okay, I made it. Yep, I made it. Now we gotta get Gracie over here. I'm not sure if I said this in the intro, but it is early enough in the morning that if we caught a rabbit, I could turn this into a catch and cook, which would be really fun because I haven't ever prepared an entire rabbit before. So if I were to do it, I would. Oh man, another moat. Are you kidding me? Look at this. This is ridiculous. natural streams. No, somebody built this. Alright. But yeah, if I was to prepare the whole rabbit, I would marinate it for a couple hours, then throw it on the barbecue. So, if we do catch a rabbit, I can turn this into a catch and cook. Here is what we're looking at. There is actually this little patch of blackberries. What I'm trying to get to is this thing right here, and then over here, that's also known to hold rabbits, but now what I need is that bird come over here. So if she doesn't come to me immediately, what I'll do is I will take the opportunity away from her. So when I had my glove out, she had the opportunity to be fed, right? So right now I can see her head, she's looking around. So she knows she lost the opportunity to get a tidbit, which is what I have in my hand. Because they're very opportunistic, if she has an opportunity and she misses it, she's more likely to take it the next time. I want y'all to see the flight when she comes in. She moved trees on the ridge. And I don't know if this is how it is with all birds, but with my bird, if she moves once, she loses the mindset to lose, or if she moves once, she loses the mindset to move again. And she's facing away from me. Time to wait. She's flying way over there. Oh, shoot. Okay. Interesting. So she just went after another red tail, which don't know why, this isn't her territory. But I don't know. That other red tail she just went after flew away, I believe. So we could possibly hunt that section. Okay, little update. Gracie flew she flew along the ridge to this tree to attack another red tail. I don't know why. She's not nesting here. This isn't her turf. But I just crossed back over the field I just went over, got water in both my boots, got my T-perch wet, just because Gracie decided to be a little miniature turkey. Good day. Okay, I don't see the other red tail, but I saw that they were fighting, so I'm gonna need to call her down for sure to check that she doesn't have any puncture wounds. So I don't normally call her down with the whistle like that, but she's being a little bit of a turkey today, and I wanted to take a look at her as soon as possible because I saw that she was locked on or something with that other red tail. I don't see anything. So she probably didn't injure herself. Luckily. I think that's gonna have to do it for the video, because if she's not paying attention to me and going after other birds, that ain't gonna fly. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get out in the morning again, because I wanted to do a catch and cook. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, maybe. And I will see you in the next one. Alright, I'm back at the car, and this is probably going to be the outro to the outro. But just to finish the video off, I've only been out here for about 30-40 minutes, and Gracie really wasn't cooperating, so we did a hunt along that ridge and nothing showed up. So I was gonna go across the field to a bush I know usually has rabbits, but Gracie wasn't following, and then she moved to a different tree which had a red tail in it, and she went after that red tail and attacked it and stayed in the same tree and went after it again, and I saw that they had locked on, or one of them had grabbed the other, so I got over there as soon as possible to check that she didn't have any puncture wounds, and she did not, fortunately. But I think I'm gonna post this video, because this is just how falconry goes sometimes. Sometimes it's great, sometimes you get 2 rabbits in a day, or 1 rabbit's great. I guess it's been a good day, but sometimes it just goes like this. Sometimes she's not cooperating. Sometimes you don't get a rabbit. Sometimes she goes after another bird for no reason. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative, and I'm definitely going to get out in the morning again, because I want to catch a rabbit. I want to do a catch and cook. I think that would be really fun for me and to show on a video. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.